Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video with Coding with T. So in this video, we're going to create a splash screen for a new project, as you can see in the picture. So now, let's jump into the development section. So first, open your terminal, cd desktop to change the directory, and the run command react native, init, and your project name, and hit enter. And now it will take some time to complete. So for that, let's come back when it will be completed. And now, as you can see, our project is completely built. So for that, just open your Visual Studio Code and open your project in it. And now, open your terminal in Visual Studio Code and run command react native run iOS to run your project in iOS. And now, as you can see, there is some boilerplate on a simulator screen. Now, let's just open app.js screen and delete all the code which we don't need. And now, let's just start building our splash screen. For that, let's just go to our ISO folder and open in iOS folder, just open this workspace file. After opening it, on the left side, you can see your project name. Open your project name and there will be a folder of launchscreen.storyboard. Open that folder. Now, to put image on your splash screen, you have to import image on it. So for that, there is a plus icon on the top. Click on that icon and type image and just drag and drop that image to the screen. And now, as you can see, we don't have any image right now. So for that, let's just go back and create a new image set for the splash screen. Now, as we have created a new image set, and now click on the splash screen and just drag and drop your icon 3 times here. And now let's come back to our screen, and now let's just select our newly created splash screen image set. And now, as you can see, after selecting our splash screen image set, you can see our logo on the screen. And now just make your image in the center, and let's just rebuild your project and let's try. And now, as you can see, after rebuilding our project, our splash screen is working successfully. So now, let's see you in the next video.